Hello, welcome to Mark II Golf Stories. It's been a while, but we're back here with a GTI. We're going to be continuing the engine build. Let's see how far we get with it today. Let's go. Righto, so we've got the engine off the stand and on here, so we could tighten up this end plate. So we've done that. These are all tightened up to 10 Newton meters because they're the M6 bolts. The next thing we're going to do is put on the shield which goes around it. There we go. Okay. I can't see any torque settings for these, so I've just done it hand tight basically. Okay, next we're going to put the head on top. So before we do that, we just need to make sure that this is in top dead centre, which it is. So piston 1, which is this side, is up and it's starting to go on its way down. So this is on top dead centre. We need to make sure the head is on top dead centre and then get it on. Okay, so we have our block set to TDC. Piston is just on its way down. It's marked up in line here on the pulley. Our head is, our lobes are both pointing upwards, and there's a little marker, so you can see that, on the back of this pulley, which sits in line with the top of the head, so you know this is all really top dead centre, ready to go on. So now we'll put this on here. Presume it goes on this way. Okay. For you, is it?
I don't mind, I can get it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm getting some sort of weekly. I've been doing weightlifting, you know.
No, I just don't want you hurting your back.
I've been doing weightlifting.
Oh yeah, good.
Right.
Okay.
I thought it's that one.
So here's the tightening sequence. So the tightening sequence for this is the same as a diesel engine. You start in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get more finger tight.
I don't. It's that current.
That's fine, thank you.
What?
That current would be lovely. So we're going to start off at 40 Newton meters with these. Right, next we're going to 60 Newton meters. Got a got a feeling I might need my dad to be here to hold the engine steady for me. We'll see how I get on. Okay, so last it says 2 quarter turns on each bolt. Quarter turn.
That's it. Oh,
That's not.
it is?
That's not. That'll be a quarter turn when it's here.
Oh yeah, 90 degrees. You got a 90 degree one now, are you?
Yeah, it needs to do 2 of them.
Right.
Right. Do you want to come down here, Dad? You're going to hurt yourself with that.
Alright.
It's probably much better doing it on a police engine stand.
Yeah. You can't do it.
Fucking hell.
Oh, ready then. Right, go on. Bending it.
So that's one lot of quarter turns done. This is definitely the scary part. One more set of quarter turns to do. Yes, this would have been easier on the engine stand, but it's not.
Yeah, we probably should have put this on before we
That's what we said. What?
Before we did that. We could have done that on the engine stand, couldn't we?
Well, we didn't want to faff about, we said. Put it on here. Oh, fucking
Did
hell.
not leave it.
When it's in the car,
Hmm?
she's saying it when it's in the car. That's quarter turn.
Got the head on it, get your thing on top of it.
That's right, I can do it in the car.
Put it on loose.
Yeah. Right, I think we'll do the rest of those when the engine is in the car. So I think the next step will be for us to get some belts on. So we've got another pulley to get on for our water pump.
Do it over again. Can we put the what's this one?
I think we might need to buy one new one.
Which one's this?
That's the cam belt.
Oh, well.
Watch out for the engine stand, Dad.
That'll be bloody foot almost.
You stood on your own foot?
Yeah.
Impressive work. Get these tightened up with the old HW6 classic tool bit.
I'm sure which way that I'm not sure which way that goes round.
That's very important which way that goes
I
on.
know, that's what I'm saying.
Just take it off.
That's why I haven't tightened it.
Yeah.
What's this about washer?
Oh.
No. Get back it in.
Oh, it's the right way because it's got the dots on it for holding it in place.
Ah, right. Let's put this on. Put this on. Like that. There we go.
Looks like the right tool.
Yeah, I think so. Will it fit? Hope it right,
The wrong way round, Dad. Chill out.
I don't, still don't like it'll fit.
Oh well. Yes.
Ah, lovely.
There you go. Right, should we get our
You
cam belt first then?
tighten that up.
No, not till the cam belt's on.
Right.
Grab the cam belt.
King and belt.
Oh, for God's sake, this has to come off.
What?
Bloody pulley.
Why?
So we can get this round.
Uh-huh.
Is that it?
Yeah. Keep that side tight.
That looks too long.
Let's have a look in the box, see what length it should be. The other one.
Putting on cam belts is my least favourite thing in the world. This looks nice and tight anyway.
Is that the other one?
Yeah, what you said was for the diesel. Okay, so it would help if I was routing the cam belt the correct way. So we've done that now. Instead of going round the back here, yeah, obviously it comes around the front. That's on, and nice and tight. You can twist it that far, that's good. This bracket's been moved from down here to up here, where it should be. And we've got the alternator on. So next thing we're going to put on is going to be the... In fact, let's just give it a turn over. Make sure it all turns before we start putting covers on. Is that the one, yeah?
You don't need that.
Yeah, there we go. It's all turning. That's a good sign. Don't need that, like you say. Let's just turn it over and we'll get it back. Well, it doesn't really matter if it's back in top dead centre now, does it? It's all on.
Put top dead centre.
Ow.
Steady on now. Oh, more. Right.
Lovely. What about this one? Is this one you're tightening up?
I think they all need tightening up.
So first we're going to tighten up the drive belt tensioner nut, and that goes to 45 Newton meters. There we go. Drive belt sprocket and intermediate shaft nuts both go to 65 Newton meters. Yeah?
Yeah. Is that the oil pump? Where's the oil pump?
Oil pump's inside.
I know which side, I mean.
What?
Which side?
Well, that intermediate shaft drives the oil pump.
Oh, right. So that's what the oil pump does.
What is that for?
Don't know.
What's that intermediate shaft?
Don't know. Right.
Here we go. Right. They're up to 65. We'll get the covers on now. I'm going to get the rest of the belts on. So is it? That nut was to come off there.
That's the one. And that's the leather seal and all.
That one needs to come out here as well. Doesn't it? Oh no. No, it
Goes
goes in
fits
there.
round that.
Yeah. Good.
Is not this one down here? That one.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't the other one like you said.
Both of them. There's two.
Right.
So you need one which is countersunk, so you can get one of these in it.
That one.
Is that the one? Just try torquing that up. Why is that? Is that actually turning on that?
Are you going on it? Is it
No, it's not tightening up.
not going in?
It's gone in, but it's not tightening up.
They should have got the bloody Allen key again.
I guess next we need to put
This one.
No, these pulleys on. Why is that slightly off?
Oh,
This wheel.
what you mean?
Oh, the line is not marking up with a point.
Well, I think it's to turn left a bit. You go back a bit.
This one's not. That's the wrong one, that Dad.
Shouldn't be.
It's not tightening up.
Oh, yeah, try again.
And it's knackered.
Oh, God. That's all, isn't it? You always got. That's all it's all right.
That's even worse. These are all fucked, Dad. Can't even get that one off now. Fuck's sake. Right, we got that out, so we need to obviously get a new one for there. Let's get this other pulley on and get some belts on. There we go, that's the way to do it.
That's
No,
what
it's even worse. Just buy a new one.
Yeah. We'll get two.
Stop trying to get me to put knackered nut things in. Right, there we go. Okay, so we're going to get a whole new set of bolts for here. These are all knackered, so we've got two in at the moment. We haven't got the belt for this yet, so we can't get this belt on. It should be here hopefully today. Okay.
It'd be easy to get it on now than when it's on car.
Pop this pipe on next.
The best place where I'll get at it later on. Down there.
Get the pipe in properly, as far as it will go. There we go.
Hate these things.
They're a nightmare, aren't they? Nearly there. There you go. Lovely. Can we get this one on there now?
Is that a little clip on? Yeah. How's that?
Right. This one is to go up here now.
That's it. I push that on now.
Push it with a screwdriver or something.
Hang on.
There you go. Right. And that needs securing at the top. Why is this hitting right against the oil cooler though? I don't like that.
It's not against the oil cooler, is it?
That's the oil cooler. That needs to, oh, it goes on there at the top. Right, okay.
Won't fit there. No chance.
So, yeah, these don't want to seem to tighten up. So I'm guessing the thread's gone on. Obviously we don't want to put the flywheel on behind it with these loose, because these ping off behind our flywheel, be a whole heap of trouble. So let's get these out, let's see if we can find some alternative bolts. It's just a fucking way, everything's absolutely knackered on this. Well, that's it for this video. We can't do much more until we get this new belt and some replacement nuts to hold this plate in place. So as well as using my big Bible manual, I've also been using e-manuals online. They've got some great stuff. Check out the link in the description below. See what they've got, whatever car you've got. They've got manuals for everything, so check them out. If you found it useful, consider dropping a like, click on subscribe, and I'll see you in another video again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.